Hello, how are you today? I want to tell you about my best vacation. Where is San Andres Island. Last year in February, we went, my father, my mother, and I, to this wonderful place. To begin, I want to tell you that the flight left on Monday, February 26, 2018, Big Mac night. From the International Airport Matecaña de Pereira towards the city of San Andreas Island. The flight lasted about 1 hour and 30 minutes, where I could see how the dark sky was covered by clouds. I could also see from the high the city of San Miguel in the country of Panama. When we arrived on the islands of San Andres, I feel very hot, but I could observe the humidity of environment. I feel very happy to fulfill the dreams with my parents. We stayed on the Tower Hotel in the city center. This hotel was 300 meters away from the city. Our stay there was 4 nights and 5 days. 6 days we really enjoyed the sea and its typical seafood. We also met the Morgan Cave. We met the little pool and traveled the whole and islands in Shivat. We also sailed back to the natural aquarium. Anyway, that's where my best vacation next to my parents. Thank you.